Welcome to Njenje Media channel. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. I am your presenter, Mike Udenta. The Igbo nation is mourning. Anambra State is mourning. The whole Nigeria is mourning the death of an icon, billionaire tycoon, and who is also the chairman Tonimas group of companies, is dead. This is a sad news that we can report from Njenje Media studio here in Enugu. Billionaire businessman, who is also the founder and the chairman CEO of Tonimas Oil and Gas, Chief Anthony Obiaboso Enukeme, is dead. What a tragedy. Chief Enukeme was reported dead early hours of this morning, today being Tuesday, and he died at the age of 75. He was born in Njenje, and he hails from Njenje, Anambra State. He incorporated Tonimas Nigeria Limited in 1982 and has since then established it as a leader in marketing and distribution of refined petroleum products throughout the country. This is an unbelievable death. He also went into the manufacturing and marketing of high-quality lubricants. Other businesses he engages in includes Tonimas Aluminium Sheets, an aluminium roofing sheet and nail production plant, Tonimas Drinking Water, a haulage and shipping line, and the prestigious White Castle Hotel. Anyone who is from Anambra and has ever gone to parties in Anambra during the Christmas will know the White Castle Hotel that we talk about. Tonimas Nigeria Limited has its headquarters in Aba, Abia State. You know, when we talk about the Igbo nation and people talk about investing home, think home philosophy, being a philanthropist to your people, this is the epitome of Tonimas. He has his headquarters in the southeastern region, and where he employs over hundreds of thousands of staffs, and they cut across all multinational, all multi-ethnic origins and groups within Nigeria. He is a man of indomitable feat. These staffs oversee the operations of various businesses and lines into whatever he is doing. It is a sad day indeed in Anambra State, and even in his political party, the All Progressive Grand Alliance, that is APGA. The news we got at Njenje Media says that he died this morning, and as he clocked 75 in May, he died this morning at 75. And we also know that last January, he traveled overseas for medical treatment. But this time around, he couldn't travel for any medical treatment because of the lockdown on the pandemic. Enukeme had been the chairman of traditional prime ministers in Anambra State for a long time now. He is a Catholic. He celebrated his 50th wedding anniversary on May 2nd. But sadly, that celebration was shelved because of the global pandemic. Sadly, he was meant to be flown abroad for medical treatment. Again, sadly, he died because of COVID-19. The worst part of all this tragedy is that he could not be saved because of the coronavirus. We use the opportunity and his death to call on every well-meaning Nigerian and the government to please invest in the healthcare. If not for the pandemic, he could have been flown abroad and he would survive. But sadly, he couldn't have been flown abroad because of the pandemic. May his soul rest in peace. We at Njenje Media say, Nani Gankoma. May your soul rest in peace. And we pray that your children will take up your excellent legacies that you've left behind. Rest in peace, the great one. I remain your only Mike Udenta. Once more, this is Njenje Media channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon for notifications when we upload new videos.